Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Smarter with Me, the channel that helps you succeed in your studies. If you're here to nail your GCSE English literature essays and get those top marks, then stick around because today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step guide to planning the perfect essay. Trust me, essay planning is a game changer when it comes to writing with confidence and clarity, so let's dive right in. First things first, why is planning so important? You might think it's a waste of time, but planning is what separates a rushed, unorganized essay from a clear, powerful argument that impresses your examiner. Planning gives you a roadmap, so you're not scrambling halfway through, trying to connect ideas that don't make sense. Plus, it helps you stay focused on answering the question. So, planning saves time in the long run and boosts your grades. Sounds good, right? Now let's break down how to do it. Step 1. Break down the question. This might sound obvious, but you need to fully understand what the question is asking. For example, if the question is, how does Shakespeare present the theme of power in Macbeth? Underline the key words, Shakespeare, theme of power, and Macbeth. These are your guiding lights for everything you write. Ask yourself, what does power mean in this play? Which characters represent power? What are the key moments where this theme is explored? By breaking the question down, you'll start generating ideas that are relevant to the essay. Step 2. Brainstorm your ideas. Before you start writing, take a few minutes to jot down key points, quotes, and evidence from the text that will support your argument. For example, in Macbeth, you might want to look at Lady Macbeth's manipulation in Act 1 or Macbeth's guilt after killing Duncan. These are golden moments that show the theme of power. Write down any quotes you remember that connect to the theme. And remember, the more relevant quotes you can use, the stronger your argument will be. Step 3. Plan your structure. This is the most important part. Your essay needs to be clear, logical, and easy to follow. Here's a simple structure that works every time. Introduction. Briefly introduce the text, the author, and what you're going to argue in your essay. Make sure you answer the question in your intro. Body paragraphs. Each paragraph should cover one main point. Start with a topic sentence that tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. Then, add your evidence and quotes, followed by your analysis. Conclusion. Summarize your main points and restate your argument. Keep it short and punchy. For example, if you're writing about Macbeth and power, one paragraph could focus on Lady Macbeth's control over her husband, and another could analyze Macbeth's descent into tyranny. Step 4. Link everything back to the question. This is where students can sometimes go wrong. It's not enough to just describe what happens in the play, you need to explain why it's relevant to the question. After every quote or piece of evidence, ask yourself, how does this answer the question? If the question is about power, make sure your analysis shows how each point reveals something about power. So every time you analyze a quote, think about the why. Why is this important? Why does it help answer the question? This will keep your essay focused and relevant. Here's a bonus tip. Practice with past paper questions. The more you practice planning your essays, the easier it becomes. Try setting yourself a time limit. Maybe 10 minutes to plan, and see how quickly you can get your ideas down. The more you do it, the faster and better you'll get. That's it for today, guys. With these steps, you'll be on your way to writing clear, powerful essays that are well-structured and packed with strong arguments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Smarter with Me for more tips, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see. Good luck with your revision, you've got this.